Welcome, welcome, welcome to We're Not Just Surviving, We Are Thriving. And I am doing good on my raw, plant-based whole food regimen. I made a salad with beets and sweet potato, and I grated it so it was all raw. Nothing was cooked, not even the sweet potato or the beets. And I just grated it and put it in the salad, and it was delicious. So I don't know how many of you guys have tried or are trying to go raw for a little bit of time just to see how it makes your body feel, but I feel good. I feel energized. I don't feel bloated, and weighed down, and I just feel like I got a burst of energy, and I know that my body is cleansing itself. So I just want to encourage you to thrive in health and not survive. Just wanted to give you an update. Hope you guys are exercising. As you can see, I'm outside and I got a walk in today. Got my weightlifting going on this morning, and I am trying to thrive. I want you to thrive with me. Try the raw foods, try doing whole foods, even try going plant-based just for a little bit and see how your body feels. I will be back and keep you updated. Stay healthy and thrive and not survive. God bless.